Are you ready to transform your backyard into a thriving, year-round garden oasis? Today, we're ranking the 5 best greenhouses you can buy this year, going from number 5 all the way to the absolute best at number 1. I've researched sizes, materials, durability, ventilation, and real-world features, so you get the strongest options for serious growing. All product links will be in the description below, so you can check current prices and details easily. Let's jump right in. Starting at number 5, the CDCASA. This massive walk-in greenhouse gives you an incredible amount of space with its 20-foot length, 10-foot width, and nearly 10-foot height. It features durable 4mm twin-wall polycarbonate panels that let in about 70% light while blocking over 99.9% of harmful UV rays, plus a sturdy rust-resistant aluminum frame that handles snow loads up to 20 pounds per square foot. Quick connect assembly means 2 people can put it together in just 4 to 6 hours, and you get 4 adjustable vent windows, rain gutters, and a swing door for easy access. It's a solid, budget-friendly, large option if you need serious square footage for plants or even a sunroom setup. Great starter pick, but the higher ranks bring more premium materials and features. Coming in at number 4, the AMERLIFE. This hybrid polycarbonate greenhouse steps things up with thicker 6mm twin-wall panels for better light diffusion and 99.99% UV protection, plus a heavy-duty rust-resistant aluminum frame with thickened corner posts and ground stakes. It offers around 850 cubic feet of versatile space, dual wide swing doors, adjustable side vents, and solid wind and snow ratings. The quick connect fittings make assembly faster, and the overall height with upgraded wall clearance feels roomy without feeling cramped. Perfect if you want a stylish, durable structure that can double as a plant haven or even a cozy recreation spot. Strong mid-range contender that balances size and quality. At number 3, we have the Backyard Discovery Bellerose. Now we're talking premium cedar wood construction with commercial-grade 4-wall polycarbonate panels that boost heat retention by about 30% compared to standard double wall. This walk-in beauty delivers excellent all-weather durability, tested for heavy snow loads and winds up to 100 miles per hour, plus a temperature-activated exhaust fan for forced ventilation and an easy open window for passive airflow. Inside, you get a built-in workstation, staging shelves, plant hooks, and hose hookups, all wrapped in naturally rot-resistant cedar with a 5-year warranty. The attached pergola adds gorgeous curb appeal. It's compact, yet fully featured for serious hobbyists who want beauty and performance in a manageable footprint. Number 2 is the upgraded Backyard Discovery Bellerose XL. This is the bigger, more powerful sibling. You get a spacious 143 square feet of interior room with tons of shelving, over 30 linear feet of lower shelves plus upper ones, 8 plant hooks, and enough space for a wheelbarrow or large planters. Same outstanding cedar wood and 4-wall polycarbonate for superior insulation and strength, even higher snow load capacity, dual passive windows, temperature-activated fan, hose hookups, and the patented power port, with outlets and USB ports for fans, lights, or misters. Protect tested for extreme weather and backed by a solid warranty, this one feels like a true garden command center. If the regular Bellerose impressed you, the XL takes everything to the next level. And the number 1 best greenhouse you can buy this year is the Palram Canopia Prestige Clear. This is the full package champion. Clear polycarbonate sidewalls deliver classic glass-like looks without the fragility, while the 4mm twin-wall roof panels provide diffused light and excellent UV protection. The heavy-duty resin frame is built for long-term durability and better insulation. What sets it apart is how loaded it comes. Multiple 2-tier benches, drip irrigation kits, trellising kit, side louver windows with automatic openers, roof vents with automatic openers, hanging kits, and a complete base, all included. Barn-style design gives high headroom, pin and lock assembly is straightforward, and double doors plus superior ventilation keep conditions ideal year-round. It's spacious, feature-packed, stylish, and ready to grow almost anything right out of the box. Absolute top pick for anyone serious about gardening this year. That's our ranking from 5 to 1. Which greenhouse is going in your backyard? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a Best Products ranking. And remember, all the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Go check them out and grab the perfect greenhouse for your space. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.